Hi, welcome to the Sequential Artist Workshop. I'm Emma.
And I'm Tom. Welcome to our single-year comic certificate program.
SAW is the art school started by artists. We started SAW in 2012 and since then have ushered hundreds of people into comics greatness. At Sequential Artists Workshop, we have 3 ways for you to earn your year-long certificate.
Online only.
Online only. A program of 9 core classes, community, accountability, and personal mentoring to help you achieve your goals.
Low residency.
Low residency. Everything in the online version with 3 supplemental intensive weeks at SAW in Gainesville. 1 in September, 1 in December, and 1 in May. In our low residency weeks, we'll be making zines and comics. You'll get in-person instruction from me and our master illustrator, Justine Anderson. We'll be doing movement and performance workshops. We'll take a trip to the Florida Springs. You'll touch hundreds of 100-year-old comics, things that are really hard to find, and we're really excited to share these with you. We'll be making an art show. You'll be part of the curation of that, and we'll have a final celebration with a comics reading and more.
Full immersion!
Full immersion. Come to Gainesville and live, breathe, and sleep comics. Full access to online courses, week-long low residency workshops, and classes with our Gainesville teachers, mentors, and community. You'll have 24/7 access to the studio and library. You'll have free access to any of the classes we're running with Tom, Justine, or anybody else. You'll have access to the visiting artist talks and workshops, a week-long workshop with a visiting artist that you'll help choose, figure drawing sessions, and lots of community art events. SAW has been the premier place for an affordable education in comics for 9 years. We've got a great community here of artists and musicians and all sorts of people, and we'd love to have you be a part of it. We're really happy to give you these new options to learn comics, to help you learn our favorite medium, this glorious, weird, fantastic mashup of words and pictures and characters and drawings and images. It's all yours. This is what we do at SAW.
We hope to see you here. No, 1, 2, 3. We hope to see you here. We hope to see you here.
That's all right. If we can't get it. I mean, maybe we should do it in comic form. But...